What's up, guys? Knife Fanatic here. Today we're going to be looking at some little pliers from Knipex, or Knipex, whatever you want to say. But yeah, these are the Knipex Cobra XS, which I'm guessing stands for extra small. But let's go ahead and take a look at them. Boy, are these freaking tiny. Let's go ahead and get that off of there. Wow, these are insanely tiny. I really like them though. They're very, they're made in Germany, by the way. I have the handles have this nice knurling on them as well. Cobra on that side, Knipex. And these are channel locks. But yeah, these are, man, these are tiny. They feel really good though, like, and they can open extremely wide. I mean, look at how you got a 2-inch mouth there, pretty much. That's pretty insane. And then, yeah, for the smallest setting there on the channel locks, you got an inch, about an inch, a little bit bigger for from tip to tip for opening. These are, let's see, 4 inches long. Hence the, I think it says, yeah, 4 inches right there on the box. But these are such a nice, compact, small size, perfect for EDC in my opinion. Just to carry around in your pockets, very light. I'd say they weigh maybe 3 ounces. 2.1. Okay, so yeah, not even 3 ounces. Less than a lot of knives. And yeah, you can do a bunch of stuff with these. I mean, they get down to a pretty thin point there. It's a very narrow mouth, which is pretty cool. I like that. I think you can do a lot of precise work with these. The teeth on them feel really good and grippy. But let's see. Yeah, the mouth here is like a little bit bigger than 0.1 inch width-wise. These are insanely strong. I've seen, I think, a video of a guy, he had these around a pipe, and then he stood on these and they did not break. I don't know if it was these exact pliers or maybe like here, let's see. I got, this is like a 5-inch version of this. But these have a locking mechanism here in the channel locks, locking channel lock. So you can, lock it in a certain position there just by depressing that button there, which lifts that back out and allows you to move that up and down the channel. But I love these a lot too. These are really, really nice pliers. There's basically a little bit bigger version of the 4-inch, and they have a little bit bigger mouth there. But yeah, you can see these are a lot bigger. But yeah, guys, really cool. Definitely awesome little pliers for EDC. You can just throw in your back pocket or even your shirt pocket, whatever, and these will work really well. They feel really comfortable in the hands. You can manipulate them pretty easily. Yeah, guys, hope y'all enjoyed. As always, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and we'll see you in the next one. Knife Fanatic out.